Hello guys, I'm pretty tired after school, so let's just dive right in. No big intro. So again, this is Startup Lecture 4, right? Startup Lecture 4. So once you build a product and start the sale, like you're on the starting point, then this is time for you to start the setup, the operating rhythm, right? So you should set an operating rhythm. So one. So the first one is shipping the product. Once you start the product and start selling it to the local people, you should start with large scale, or at least your maximum potential of shipping the products. Okay. So you're gonna ship the products and then launch new features. Launching new features. So this is like talking to the customers and getting feedback and then improvising your product. So, and then reviewing or reporting, reviewing or reporting metrics and milestones. Metrics and milestones. I hope it's all visible, so let me just check it out. Yeah, I hope. So the last one is reviewing or reporting metrics and milestones. Let me write and then explain. So, the best competitor for you, that is a competitor to actually be feared, is the one who never cares about you and your workers or anyone in your company, and he makes only his business better and better. He might be from a different company, who might be a friend to you or an enemy or anyone, or he might be a co-founder, or he might even be an emerging talented worker. They're too cunning, right? So let me just yes. Now this is actually a very important point. I'm gonna give it this one. So don't spend more money than you have. Don't spend more money than you have. Some people take big loans or even small that they might regret taking just to start their business. Yes, I'm visible. So you shouldn't do that. You should only pay the money you can afford, and you should not pay even a single currency more than that. So you should always mind your budget even when you are trying to start a very big business. Now this is more important than the first point. Storyboard. Ideal user experience. So you should like make a poster or make at least a cheap advertisement, or make it maybe even free, or maybe if you're running a channel you could post there. If it has more subscribers, then it's a success, right? So storyboard ideal user experience. You can also use Reddit and other platforms. So now this is really really important. Now this might feel a little silly, but I'll give it a 3 star for this. It's not exactly a star, but the important mark. Okay, 3 important marks for this. Fine. 1, 2, 3. My tripod is shaking again. Gotta be cautious. So these are the first few users of their product. Oh, what? Oh, that's right. So these are the first few users of the product you create initially. So the first user is gonna be you. And then the second user is gonna be your parents. Second and third are gonna be your parents. And then cousins, relatives, friends, co-workers, workers. I mean, not co-workers, co-founders, sorry. Sorry. Co-founders. Then this is really important. Online community. Right? The online community like Reddit and Instagram, or maybe even YouTube if you have a lot of subscribers. But if you start a new channel or club Reddit, it's gonna have a lot of viewers. So if your storyboard and these advertisements are pretty impressive, they're gonna join and make your business grow with no hesitation. So that's it for today, guys. Let's rock out today. Tomorrow I'll provide a Python video. So bye, see you tomorrow.